How to fix backup error 0x81000033 on Windows. 1. Using disk cleanup tool. 2. Remove unnecessary language packs. 3. Ensure that Windows system protection is enabled. 4. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Remove USN journal. Run the following 2 commands as admin: fsutil-usn query journal f, fsutil-usn delete journal /n/df. Now, choose change drive letter and paths command, the option in system reserved partition under disk management. 6. Inspect your disk via chkdskc/f/r command, admin mode. 7. Increase system reserved partition size. Note, you are using some newly created system volume. Run the following commands as admin: boot.exe /sc:\windows/sg, diskpart select volume G, diskpart active,